Hello everyone, uh, my name is Zaid Ismail. In this video, I'm going to share my some knowledge with you. So let's get started. Uh, we all know we have different type of locators in Selenium. We can find the element by ID, by name, by class name, by tag name, by link text, and partial link, and by CSS selector and by XPath. So I usually prefer to use CSS Selector. Why I use CSS Selector uh, in the detail, I'm gonna describe you why I use CSS Selector. In this screenshot, you can see why I use CSS Selector because there are different selectors which can easily convert in CSS Selector, and I can use it for my automation script. Let's get started here. I'm going to select this search field. Let me select this first, like this. And this is a text area. And here's the ID. We can get this ID by using locator ID, but I'm going to use it as a CSS selector. So what should I have to do? I have to just put a hash before this ID, okay? And why I use CSS selector is one of the reason is I can easily track what I'm getting for my CSS selector element is using by jQuery. For using jQuery in console, we have $1 and then I can use this ID here. This is not showing anything because this is not a CSS selector right now. This is just a simple ID. So I just put a hash and here we go. Check. This is showing a selector for this ID. It's mean this is a CSS selector. Let me show you this trick with CSS selector, and we have to find the class name here. Here is the class name. I just copy the class name. If you put simple as it is, it won't work. You have to put dot before the class name, so it will get the class name. You have to enter that, then it will show that you are going to select this element. Okay, so this is the main reason I use CSS selector. One more thing, if you don't find any class name, any ID, anything, so you how you can get that field, or how you can tap and how you can select that field. For that, I'm going to select like any attribute of this element, like this is text areas element, and I'm going to select this title attribute with its value search. Okay, uh, here we add a curly bracket, add this search and enter. It will show that with this selection you can get easily click on this search. Let's put this selection on my script. This is a simple script I have created already, in which I have mentioned Chrome driver and Firefox. It will find the Chrome driver from my PC. If my script find the driver, it will open the Chrome browser. But if in some case, if it fails, it will execute the Firefox. Okay, let's enter the URL, and now we have to driver dot find element by CSS selector, and we are going to put simple value, copy and paste. Okay, we have to remove this commas. Done. Driver select Let's execute it and check what's is working or not. Nice clip executing. It's open browser and it's work. You can see it's clicked on it and open the search where I can find the put the values in it. For right now, it's just a simple trick. You can use it. I hope it's helpful for you. Please like and subscribe my channel. I will add more videos in this channel. Okay, for your knowledge. Thank you. Bye.